Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use your iPhone as a key for your car. We'll see the complete setup, how to do it exactly step by step in absolute detail. So before we begin, I'll tell you that my car is on version 6.212 and I visited the service center to get the digital key provisioning of my car done. This was done on the same day. If you have the 6.212 version, you should still confirm with your SC if the digital key provisioning is done, because only after that will you be able to connect NFC devices. Without that, your car will keep giving you errors. Right here, if I show you, you can see that I'm on version 6.212 and as I said, digital key provisioning is done. There are two separate updates that came to your car. One was this to give you driver profiles, custom mode, etc. And the NFC key support, which is the digital key provisioning, was another software update. So please confirm that you have both in your car. After that, you can actually see that when you go to my vehicle and you go to interior and convenience, you'll have an option to manage NFC devices. This option might still show even without digital key provisioning. So as I said, please confirm with your SC if you have that installed in your car, or ask them to do that. Next, when you open the Me For You app, you will actually see an option here as NFC key. This is what we're going to do, and you can see that it has Mahindra access card here, and you can also add a, you can see that it says tap plus to start setting up your phone as key. That's what I'm going to do. Then you click on setup phone as key. Now it is saying that turn on the vehicle and keep it in on condition. Now by on, they mean start the car without pressing the brake. I confirmed this from the service center, so the start stop button should be in red. The next is place both key fobs inside the vehicle, which I have forgotten, so I'll have to get the other key fob. And then the third is ensure good network connectivity on both your iPhone and the vehicle. Then you do this and you proceed. I'll just get the other key and then we'll begin. Alright, so now I've brought both the key fobs. I'll just put them here, and so you come to this screen, you do these, and then it says proceed. We do that. Now it will wait, and so you see that phone as key configuration completed successfully. Now to complete iPhone pairing, on the infotainment screen, we go to my vehicle, then interior, then convenience as it is saying, and then we go to manage NFC devices. From here we tap add a new NFC device and then place our iPhone on the wireless charging pad. So I do this, owner's iPhone, and proceed. Please make sure phone setup is done. Place the phone on the wireless charger. That is what I do here, and I click on proceed, and I actually have to click on start pairing, and now it is giving me various steps there, but actually it has been aborted from here, so I don't know if this is going to work. I should have also shut the AC, but I'll probably just cancel this from here and cancel this from here as well, so that we can actually begin. Okay, we go back to Me For You, and so add NFC device, owner's phone, then start pairing from here, and add key to wallet, proceed, and phone setup is actually done, so continue and then proceed. And you can see that it says the phone is being paired. Please do not remove the phone from the wireless charger or press the cancel button. There also it is saying adding key and connecting. Let us see how long this takes. This should not take too long, I suppose. The progress bar there is not moving ahead at all, but should be fine. So here you can see that the progress bar is actually moving ahead, and we are almost done. Here nothing shows, but on your phone it does. So now it says that the key may now be used to lock unlock the vehicle. To activate the key, follow the instructions on the device, but there are no instructions on the device yet. Now it is saying pairing success but not activated. I'll just wait for a couple more minutes to see if there are any instructions that are coming on my phone. Because what does it mean by this? The key may now be used to lock unlock the vehicle, but to activate the key. So probably that it is just lock unlock, but I won't be able to start the car. I think this is what it means. So I'll wait for a couple of more minutes and we'll see. It is still, if I can somehow show it, it is still pairing according to my iPhone, but according to the car it is paired. I don't want to mess it up in case I pick it up and then everything disappears. I don't want that to happen. And it also says follow the instruction on device. So if I cross it from here, will that get cancelled and then the instructions will show? I don't know, this is pretty ambiguous what they mean by follow the instructions on device, because clearly there are no instructions. Now this is what I see here. Unable to connect to wallet services, make sure you are connected to the internet. Probably my internet is not working. I'll just check and get back. Now I've connected my phone to the Wi-Fi and it should technically work now. I'll click on retry and we'll see if this somehow works. Now it says your key is ready to use, and I think that now we can go back. To unlock the car, hold iPhone near the door handle or side mirror. To start the car, place iPhone on car's key reader, which is the right side of your wireless charger. If I can show you here, I don't know if I... So you see that this has the NFC symbol. This wireless charger does not. So this is the wireless charger that actually has the NFC reader. And then it says that to unlock the car, do this, and it disappeared, but it's okay. Now we're going to head out and we'll see. I'll keep both the keys away and we'll see if it works. Now if I head to my Apple wallet, which is here, you can see that this key card of the BE6 is appearing, and I can also share it to whomever I want. Now we'll see how this works. So after you see this on the screen, you can just cross it and you will actually see here that owner's device and the name of the phone, like whatever you've kept it there, and you can add or you can manage everything. Now I'll turn off the car. I will take both keys, put them out, and we'll then bring just our phone and see if we can actually start it. It's actually saying done, but the car is not opening. And this should technically be unlocking the car, but that's not working. So it actually shows a tick mark here, but it does not open the car. I'll get my keys and we'll see if we have to change some settings from the inside. I actually have no clue why that didn't work. It should have, but...
Attention please, vehicle tire pressure is low.
Okay. It can be low. And if I check in my Me For You app, so here you can still see that my phone is there. Here I can see my key card. This is taking forever to focus. Yeah, so here I can see my key card, and I'll also check my Me For You app. Here also I can see this. If I click on the I button, it says that phone as key must be used at least once to share with your friends and family. But why isn't it letting me do things? Anyways, if I keep this here, so now anyways the key is inside the car, so it will work. Probably it takes time to sync. I will try again in a couple of minutes. Now I am actually doing the almighty reboot. I'll turn off the car, I'll put the keys away for 10 to 15 minutes. I will then come back and see if my phone actually starts working. Most of the software glitches in this car, 99% of everything is solved by a deep reboot. So that's what I'm going to do. And I think then I think then my phone should work, because I've completed all the steps. I can see my phone in the car screen and I can see the access card in my phone. So everything is sorted. I think that the system just needs to align, or it probably needs to be on the same level. A deep reboot should fix it. I'll try again in a few minutes and then I'll show you. Now why the hell did that happen in the middle of the night? It's pretty late. This should not have happened. Why did it happen? I do not know. But anyways, we are inside the car, and the moment I put my phone here, the car turns on. I will see if there's a better way to film this, because this clearly was a huge fail. Anyways, this does work when you get out of your car. Let's go try number 2. The first time the car honked like crazy. Now will it honk? It did not. And when you get in, you close the door properly first, and the moment you place your phone here, the car turns on in accessory mode. Then you can press the brake and start. Now,
vehicle tire pressure is low.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, why was the NFC card, why was the iPhone as NFC not working earlier? I do not know. How did I fix it? What I did was I unlocked the car. I kept the keys away. First of all, do that. Keep the keys out of the range of the car. Once you're done with the setup, of course, for the setup you need to have both key fobs. After that, what I did was I came close to the car, and then using my phone, using the Me For You app, I unlocked the car. So I did not have the keys. The car unlocked from the Me For You app. Then I placed my phone here and the car actually started. So I knew that pairing was not an issue. If nothing is working, then probably pairing is an issue, and I suggest that you delete your key and then pair it again. Also, when you go to delete a key, it actually asks you for your profile pin. If you haven't set any pin, by default the pin is 1234. Just letting you know. So I placed my phone here and the car started, so I knew that NFC pairing was not the problem. I then got out of my car and locked the car using the NFC. That also worked, so that also I knew was working fine. Then when I unlocked the car using NFC from the mobile, it started honking like crazy, and I'll attach that clip also. I got scared. I was actually pretty shocked, and since it's 11 p.m. at night, I panicked and I kept my phone on the wireless charger, and then it stopped honking. Otherwise, I don't know for how much time it would have kept going. When it was honking, I also received a notification on my Me For You that unauthorized entry detected in your BE6. Anyways, I kept my phone on the wireless charger. The car came into this accessory mode and it stopped honking. Then I got out of the car, locked it using NFC, stayed outside for a couple of minutes, about 5 minutes, and now you can see that it is working perfectly. So finally I can say that you can use just your phone to unlock your car, to drive it. You do not need a key, you do not need the NFC key card, you do not need anything. Just make sure that digital key provisioning is done at your service center. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Subscribe to Automobile Infos for more such content. There's a lot of interesting content coming up. We actually have a freedom drive on the 16th of August, and I will also see the Mahindra BE6 SPORteq edition. The next Sunday auto drop is going to be crazy. Thank you so much for all the support. It really means a lot. All the comments, all the Instagram DMs. It really means a lot, and it keeps me motivated to keep creating such videos. Thank you so much for watching. If it helped, please give it a like. Subscribe to Automobile Infos for more such content. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and have a happy journey.